Hello my UT beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a one palette, two looks type of video. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics Sylvia Gani palette and I'm going in with that shade called S Club. I'm putting that all in my crease with a big fluffy brush. I really want to make sure that this is prominent and just like a pop of color in the crease, even though it is more neutral. And I wanted to do this look because I can show you guys how to use this very affordable palette in many different ways. You can create so many looks using this palette because of the shade range. I'm going to take that shade down. It's called October. Take it on a denser fluffy brush and put that more in my outer V. I'm keeping it a little bit lower. As you can see, I'm not bringing it over that crease shade we first put, but I am getting a good blend out in that outer V just to deepen up the crease. Then I'm going to take the shade called Libra on my finger and put it on my lid. This is a super easy look to do. It has 3 shades and pretty much anyone can do it, a beginner even. I'm trying not to cover up that outer V shade that we put, but I am going to take that outer V shade one more time and make sure that I can still see it in my outer V. I'm going to take the shade October again on a pencil brush and smudge it underneath my lower lash line. This can be pretty messy. Because it is more of a neutral, not super dark brown shade, you can be more messy with it than something super intense. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and add my regular mascara. I use the CoverGirl Lashblast Fusion. It's affordable and from the drugstore. I'm going to take this Maybelline waterproof gel liner in the shade Glazed Toffee and put that on my waterline. I'm also going to use this same exact eyeliner for the next look that we're going to do. And I'm coating my lower lashes with mascara. That's pretty much it to this look. Super easy, super quick. I think this took me maybe 10 minutes to do. So this is definitely more of a natural, everyday type of look using this palette. The next look we're gonna do is a little bit more colorful, a little bit more fun. All right, next look, we're going in with shade Chanel. I am taking a big fluffy brush and putting that in my crease, same as I did with that very first shade from the first look. Exact same placement, except this is a pop of yellow, so it's really going to make that crease just look a little bit more unique than throwing just a brown shade in there. And these are pretty pigmented shades, so it doesn't take a lot to build them up. I'm taking that shade called Ginger. It is a pretty orange on a little bit of a fluffy brush. I think it's the same one that I used to apply the first shade, and I'm putting it in that outer V. I'm taking it a little bit into the crease, like a hair, but mainly leaving it on my outer V. Then I'm taking the shade down from that. It's called Sisterhood, and it's a pretty cranberry shade on a dense, fluffy brush, very dense. And I'm putting that more in the outer V than I did with the shade Ginger. Then I'm taking that shade called Rosé on my finger and putting it all over my lid. I'm really careful not to cover up that pretty cranberry orange shade that we have going on in the outer V. I just think these looks complement each other really well and they're very suitable for spring, summer. I just love these warm types of looks. I'm gonna take the shade called Bear on a not a pencil brush, on a flat definer brush. This is from Sigma and I'm putting that very close to my lower lash line, just kind of emphasizing the outer edge. I'm not bringing it too far into my inner corner. Then I'm taking that same Sisterhood shade but on a pencil brush and I'm smudging out the lower lash line. Just add a pop of more of that cranberry shade underneath my lower lash line instead of just having it be brown and tying the look together. Next, I'm going to take that shade called Prince, and that is what I'm going to use to highlight my inner corner. This is a really pretty inner corner highlight shade, and it just has a little bit more yellow in it to make it a little bit more unique rather than just a white shade. Then I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes, add the same mascara, CoverGirl Lashblast Fusion. That's where it's at. And I'm taking that same exact eyeliner from Maybelline and adding it to my waterline. Brown is, especially this brown, is just a really good eyeliner to tie the look together, and it stays on my waterline all day long. And I'm adding mascara to my lower lashes. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!